Hello all and welcome back to another vlog. Thank you for the love which you have shown for our Turkey series. So today we are starting with the Bangkok series. In Bangkok, today we are going to Chang Puak camp, which is an elephant camp. Along with elephant, you can experience varieties of activities offered by this camp. They have a tiger camp, plus you can ride on an ATV. They have BB guns and so on. So after getting our tickets, we first went to the tiger camp. Here you can play with your choice of tigers. They have a white tiger, a Royal Bengal tiger and a liger. Yes, a liger. A mixture of a tiger and a lion. After spending some quality time with the tigers, it's time to head to the elephant camp. Elephant camp, there are different kinds of elephant activities, and the main attraction is an elephant ride in the jungles. So here we are right on the elephant and we are heading inside the jungle. In this ride, you go on all the smaller by lanes and in the river. It's approximately 20 to 25 minutes ride, but every minute is enjoyable. After finishing our ride, we met this cute small baby elephant and his mother. I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye bye.